If your iPhone text size is a little too small or it's a little too big, you can change the text size on your iPhone across every single app to make every text bigger or smaller. But a cool feature is that you can change the text size for individual apps. Let's say Facebook or your messages or email are too small or too big. You can change and customize the font size in that specific app and not impact any other app. I'll show you exactly how to do either one. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and you can see the text size is fairly small on my iPhone. Let's change that by tapping on Display and Brightness. And then you can see midway down is text size. Tap on that. Now it says apps that support dynamic text size will change just by taking your finger and swiping over to the right. And you'll be able to change that text size, either be bigger or smaller. Let's say I wanted it to be a little bit bigger. However, keep in mind, this changes the text size across all of the apps. And in some apps, you might not want it bigger, or some apps you might want it bigger and some apps a little smaller. I'll show you how to customize that. So let's hop out of here, take your finger and swipe down from the top right. Tap on the plus at the top left. Tap on Add Control at the bottom center. Tap on Search at the top and search for text size. Tap on this icon called text size. Now, tap anywhere that there is not an icon. So I'm going to tap at the bottom right and then swipe up to get out of the control center. Now let's open up an app. Let's say, for instance, WhatsApp. I want to open this up and I want to change the text size in this app alone. I'm going to then take my finger, swipe down from the top right, tap and hold on the text size. And now you can see it defaults to all apps. However, I'm going to tap on WhatsApp only, and then I can change the text size all the way up to 310% or down to 85 or 80%. So you can see, let's say I want to keep it around 120%. I'm going to tap out of this screen towards the top here. And then tap at the bottom right to get out of the control center. And there you can see it's changed the text size for just this one app. And of course, you can go through different apps and have some 120%, some 100%, some 80%, depending on your preference and how each individual app text size looks good to you. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.